Yesterday we did a pH test on this oatmeal shake. I wait till another 24 hours till I do another pH test. I'm gonna do with you guys now. Yesterday it was like pH 13, okay? So it was purple in the pH scale. It's around like, you know, very caustic, okay? So 13 pH. Today I'll do another test, okay? To make sure the pH has gone down with you guys. So I'm doing everything with you guys, okay? So it's still water I have here. Let's test it out. What should we do? Get another clean, different finger. Rub it in. I think we're good. We are green to go. Look at that. Yesterday, the reason why it was purple was we froze the loaf into the refrigerator, the freezer. That affects the saponification process. So I left it out. I left it out for 24 hours again. So this is like 48 hours in. 8 hours, the initial 8 hours was in the freezer. I left it out. Then it still hasn't had time to saponify yet. So today we are good, okay? This is now safe now, in the safe range. But still need to be cooled for 4 to 6 weeks, okay? Depends how much milk are you using, okay? Okay, so that's it. We are good, okay? Also, if I'm gonna do this again, right, I will cut it straight away after I get it out from the fridge, okay? I will cut it straight away because it's very crumbling. It's become too hard, okay, to cut with my knife. Okay, if you have the professional knife cutter, it's better you cut it after you pull it out from the fridge. Cut it straight away. Leave it on the rack to cool. Test the pH, of course, before you cut. Okay, but from this experiment, you probably can see that the pH is still high after 8 hours. So wear gloves, of course, always. Check the pH. Cut it. Then leave it to cool for 24 hours, 48 hours. Do a pH test to make sure it's actually gone down, okay? The pH gone down. Then you leave it to cool like normally you would, okay? 4 to 6 weeks. My name is Joe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time with another video. Okay, bye.